Periyar Maniamma University recalls the history and the milestones achieved since 1988. Thandai Periyar, the foreseer of modern era, a social revolutionist who emphasized the importance of education throughout his life. Since he strongly believed that educating a woman equals educating a family, he established various educational institutions all over the nation. After Thandai Periyar and Annai Maniammayar, their successor Dr. K. Veeramani took up the Herculean task by founding the first women's engineering college in Asia, namely Periyar Maniammai College of Technology for Women. Our mentor's dreams come true. On 22nd November 1988, Honorable Dr. A. Padmanabhan, Advisor to Governor, Government of Tamil Nadu, inaugurated Periyar Maniammai College of Technology for Women with 3 courses, namely Civil Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, and Computer Science and Engineering. Dr. S. Agathilingam, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Tamil University, and Dr. S. Nagaratnam, Principal of REC Trichy, visited our campus. Dr. S. Muthukumaran, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Bharathidasan University, visited our campus to witness the construction of architecture block. Our esteemed Chancellor, Dr. K. Veeramani, the chairperson then, presented the portrait of Thandai Periyar to Professor P. S. Gopalasamy, the first principal of PMCTW. The opening ceremony of architecture block was celebrated in the august presence of Dr. Kalaignar M. Karunanidhi, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, on 22nd September 1989. The very same day, saplings were planted by him in the campus. In 1990, Professor K. Anbalagan, Honorable Minister for Higher Education, and Mr. M. Gopalakrishnan, General Manager of Indian Bank, paid a visit to the campus. The year 1994 marked with the inauguration of Annai Nagammayar Hostel, Nadan Block, by Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Dr. J. Jayalalitha. In year 1994, S.T. Somasundaram, Minister of Revenue, was our chief guest for the annual day. The southern block of Annai Nagammayar Hostel was inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Ms. Mayawati and Sri Kansiram. In the same year, Honorable Union Minister Sri Sitaram Kesari attended the Periyar Maniammai College of Technology for Women 3rd Convocation. In year 1998, Honorable Union Minister for Defence Sri George Fernandes awarded the degrees in the 5th Convocation. In year 1999, Sri A.B. Bharadan, Thiru D. Raja, Thiru T. Pandian and Thiru R. Nallakannu, Communist Party of India, visited PMCTW. Periyar Maniammai College of Technology for Women bagged the World Environment Award in 2000. In 2000, Thiru G.K. Moopanar, President of All India Tamil Nadu Congress Committee, inaugurated the Millennium Cottage. In 2001, Thiru Kannappan, Honorable State Minister, Government of India, inaugurated International Workshop on Environment and Energy. In 2003, His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, President of India, delivers the presidential address during the inauguration of Periyar Pura. In 2003, Indo-German collaborative workshop on environmental protection was conducted. In 2003, Dr. A.R. Lakshmanan, Honorable Justice, Supreme Court of India, visited our campus for 10th convocation. In 2003, Periyar Renewable Energy Training Institute, PRETI, was inaugurated. During that period, Periyar Maniammai College of Technology for Women secured 13th and 11th ranks among the 248 affiliated colleges of Anna University, Chennai. In 2004, His Excellency Shri V.P. Singh, Honorable former Prime Minister of India, opened the PG Hostel for Women and inaugurated the tele-education facility. Dr. V.N. Rajashekharan Pillai, Vice Chairman of UGC, awarded degrees in the 12th convocation. In the year 2005, His Excellency Shri Surjit Singh Barnala, Government of Tamil Nadu, and Ms. Anita Gupta, Scientist EDST, Government of India, laid the foundation stone for Periyar TBI. His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, President of India, visited the Periyar Pura villages and Periyar Maniammai University. He also inaugurated the water plant at Muthuveera Kandiyanpatti.
Dr. Kalaignar M. Karunanidhi, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, inaugurated our Periyar Maniammai University on 29 September 2007. Our university was accredited by NAAC in 2007. In 2008, His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam visited PMU and interacted with students. Ms. Pungode Aladi Aruna, Honorable Minister of IT, inaugurated the Wi-Fi network. His Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former President of India in ICEGT 2011. Memorandum of Understanding. MOU signed between PMU and Lungwa University. MOU signed between PMU and Bosch Rexroth India Limited. MOU signed between PMU and SAP. MOU signed between PMU and University of Development Studies, Ghana. Center of Excellence. Center of Excellence for Training and Research in Automation Technology. Center of Excellence for Next Generation Networks. Center of Excellence for Enterprise Resource Planning. PMU is one of the remote centers for NME-ICT projects. Aerospace Festival 2013. International Women's Conference 2013. Information, Communication and Technology Festival 2013. Agro Festival 2013. 16th ISTE Students National Annual Convention. International Conference on Disaster Mitigation and Management towards Sustainable Development. Silver Jubilee Year Celebration. Singapore Alumni Chapter Inauguration. New Jersey Alumni Chapter Inauguration. Chennai Alumni Chapter Inauguration.
I'm Anita. I belong to Indian Revenue Service. I work as Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax in Chennai. I belong to first batch of architecture from Periyar Maniamma University.
Professor, Head of the Department, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, KSR College of Technology, Tiruchengood, Namakkal district. நான் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இன்றைக்கி வந்து நாங்கள்லாம் நல்ல பொசிஷனில் இருக்கோம். ஒரு பிஇ முடித்து, எம்இ முடித்து, டாக்டரேட் முடித்து, ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஸராக ஹெட் ஆஃப் த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டாக இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னா நமக்கு எங்களுக்கு வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்த நம்ம வீரமணி ஐயாவுக்கு தான் நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு தேங்க்ஸ் சொல்லிக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏஷியாவிலேயே ஒரு லேடிஸ் காலேஜ் ஆரம்பித்து எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு ஒரு பெரிய வாய்ப்பு கொடுத்தாரு. அதனால நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே நல்ல பொசிஷனில் இருக்கிறோம், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கோம்.
I'm 1996 to 2000 batch and I worked as a lecturer here from 2002 to 2004 and I believe I share more bonding with this college. The first thing is when I was doing my 12th exam, my father came to me and told, I think you might get in any college, but I'll be more comfortable in putting you in Periyar Maniamma College. And I told, okay, I just put a tick in the counseling without seeing any other college, and that tick never went wrong in my life.
Hello everyone, I'm Deepa from the 2003 batch. I graduated in BE Information Technology from the college. I'm currently working as a manager with Infosys Technologies in Bangalore.
I am basically from Kolkata. I am a total city girl. And after coming into this environment, actually I have not seen such greenery out there in Kolkata as much as I've seen it here.
I not even participated in any competition in the school. Just now I came in this college. My staffs found out to he can do this work, and they tell that to do this work, and they have encouraged me. Now also you can able to note that I can not able to speak English fluently, but they make me to speak in English. That's my cause.
Once, quarry of laterite soil land has been transformed into oasis of lush greenery with enormous growth of tall trees and beautiful flower garden in the midst of tall concrete structures which houses schools in engineering and technology.
For more details, log on to www.pmu.edu.